against each other, but I don't think we've ever spoken. Okay, Team Lëtzebuerg are starting off with their patented sherbet land. They're these guys are terrifying on this track. I tell you that from personal experience. You put Team Lëtzebuerg on sherbet land and they will just win. Also, hello, worm. I'm kind of hoping my phone will turn on so I can put in the scores, but it hasn't, and I'm slightly concerned. Okay, they got their sherbet land pick. Oh, the stream froze for a sec, and now it's back. Oh, Luxembourg. So Luxembourg versus Mexico. This might be quite a laggy match. Right, both the Mortons, I imagine, are TL. TL seem to be a big fan of Morton, and Team Luxembourg also a big fan of Monkey. Right, I can't tell if those people back there are bagging or they just blew their engines up. I'm going to assume that they blew their engines up. Right, let's see if I can lower the quality on this just a little bit, because that is some crispy frame rate. Okay, that's I think that's the best we're going to get. So top 2 for what do I call them? I'll call them Team No. That is roughly what they're named. I think they call it as Team No Mo or something. I don't know how to pronounce them. Anyway, they've taken the commanding top 2 as it stands. Someone died there. I couldn't see his flag, so I couldn't tell you who it was. Luxembourg seems to be operating most of the mid-pack. That inside Morton is absolutely Team Luxembourg. I know for a fact they're a big fan of that combo. Yeah, okay, as I predicted, both the Mortons are in fact Team Luxembourg. Not much seems to be changing. Luxembourg is just comfortably holding the mid spots. Ooh, Ziege gets ready while holding a banana. No Mola. Okay, thank you for letting me know. Unlucky there from Ziege, but he manages to fire one of them back. There we go, managed to fire 2 of them. Nice. Okay, this is looking very good for Team No Mola as it stands. But Team Luxembourg are absolute fiends at pulling a shot. So if we see one of those into play... There we go, as I stated. Team Luxembourg, absolute legends at bagging. So they're rushing up the mid-pack. I don't know if they're going to make it all the way back up though. Ooh, unfortunate start from the other opposition on Ziege. Ziege has like no coins now, so if I'd be surprised if he gets anything above like 8. Did manage to get a box. The classic 8th place item, triple greens. Not what you want. Oh, unlucky about the bill. I don't know who that is in last. Right, race 4, 5, 8, 9, 11. Previously, Team Luxembourg and Lightning Bolts. Very, very good at that. So they might be, I don't know. I wouldn't call this an optimal position for Team No Mola either. BenDK, I think, is automatically going for shot. He's assessed the situation and knows that it's necessary. Okay, well, some poor sod just got owned by Green Shop coming out of the box. Rest in pieces. I assume this POV looks a bit better on the stream, but from my side watching it on full screen, this is quite exciting. Ziege unfortunately gets redded again while holding defense. Not sure if it's a reaction times thing, whatever. He manages to red the one American player into the sea though. So, you know, not all bad. Oh, I need to update the scores. I forgot that was a thing. Right, hold on. 29 and 53. Right, you didn't see anything. Fixing the stream as we go. This is good. This is very botched, by the way. I'm a complete casual to casting or any of it. I just enjoy it, so that's why I'm doing it. If that makes any sense. Also to support, you know, our boys and girls in Luxembourg. Okay, so this looks to be a 1-3 for Team 1-3-4 for Team Lëtzebuerg. Really holding down the spots. Unfortunately, it's going to get blued. Yeah, you can tell for a fact that that's Team Lëtzebuerg in first because the No Mola player in second didn't pawn it. There, it was Lars, as I predicted. So that'll be a 2-3-4-5 for Team Lëtzebuerg. Very good. If they can kill this No Mola player in first, that is absolutely legendary. Oh, I think I saw a Mexican flag just behind Ziege. Check your rear view, Ziege. I want to know who's behind you. Oh, it's both Team Lëtzebuerg. Okay, good. One red. That's unfortunately not going to cut it. Here's a bomb in first, I'm pretty sure. No, that's a super horn. Did he mess it up? No, just some lag. That's going to be a 2-3-4-5-6-12. Absolutely legendary race. 3, 4, 5. Now is that? Probably not. Do I care? Yeah, actually, probably. Right, okay. I'm fully set up. We're 12 minutes in. Okay, so if any of them can get a draft or hit the person in first, this is immediately like a top 5 for Team Lëtzebuerg. We'll have to see what happens. BenDK immediately catching up from his 12th. BenDK is an extremely strong bagger. Like, he'll go back several times, but without fail will end up benefiting his teams. Unfortunate driving error from Ziege, whacked into the wall. But he gets to watch 2 of No Mola die. They're good at everything. They are, that is true. But they're good at everything, but they're incredible at a couple of tracks. Like Royal Raceway as well is like, might as well be Team Lëtzebuerg land. Okay, they just absolutely blew up the dude in 5th and 6th, putting Team Lëtzebuerg in, I believe this is top 5. Unless some of No Mola snuck up there, which I don't think they did. It's really hard to tell from the minimap. Okay, well, one of them came up and suffered the fate of being in front of Ziege while he has double reds. That is a monkey in first, so I'm pretty sure, and they haven't hit each other yet, so I'm almost positive this is top 4 for Team Lëtzebuerg. Backing some fire, Bill coming up. Like, the bottom 4 are in shock range, so if a shock is pretty likely, I'd imagine. Triple reds from Team Mola in 4. There goes the shock, that was Team Mola's shock. Okay, that will definitely swap things up a bit. That monkey's still in first, the Waluigis are approaching very quickly. Have to see what happens here. I imagine the spots are now like totally mixed. Oh, unlucky for Muscle. Or do they have another shock? They're stopping before set. No? Thought they might have another shock there. Usually when you see people stopping before set, that's a good indication there's a shock about to come in from like 3 seconds. BenDK is a player with a lot of experience. Now that was a Team Lëtzebuerg shock. At least I'm pretty sure. Team Lëtzebuerg are back in first. I can tell that much. Ziege gets the worst pull of his life, pulling a blooper by itself in 7th. I could not tell what was going on up at the front there. That is 1, 4, 7, 9, 10, 12. 1, 4, 33. Thank you very much. I really enjoy it. My issue is I'm also, I'm about the same division. I'm very low division. So sometimes I don't even know what's going on. Like a lot of what Team Lëtzebuerg does, I'm not good enough to understand. So I'll just be watching and going, hang on a sec. Right, a couple of people dropping back to bag, which is a bold move because this track is, this track's really weird, is the best way I can describe it. You can bag it, but also you probably shouldn't. I think it's my way of doing it. Anyway, top 2 from Team Lëtzebuerg. At least that was what happened a second ago. Yep, still top 2. Ziege has quite a few coins, so he's going to be absolutely moving. Look at that monkey go. That shortcut saves like 5-6 seconds, so that might have changed up the spots quite a bit. No, still top 2. Don't even play the game. Yeah, fair enough. Pretty difficult to see what's going on. Still top 2. You can see BenDK and what I believe to be a member of No Mola quite far back bagging for that shock. This shock, the reason this track is a bagging track, at least in my understanding, is that target shock where you can shock them into the river, denying them items, is incredibly strong. Like, if you get shocked there, you can just kiss goodbye any chance of you getting anything above 9th. Oh, green come up. Aziz manages to dodge it, nice. Still top 2, they've been holding this down. Right, is a shot coming in? That's the question. I don't think so, no. BenDK hasn't used an item though, so he might have it. And obviously didn't want to shock his team into the river, that would have been very bad. All 2 of Team Lëtzebuerg get hit in the mid-pack. I can't tell who's in second. Oh, it's Team Lëtzebuerg again. Oh, nearly gets owned by Rossetti. Don't show your teammates, Siege. That looks to be a top 3. Rossetti gave Siege the scare of the century. Top 3, 9, 10, 12. Nice. 1, 2. Alright, I believe this is a, yeah, this is a Team No Mo pick. Because they're in spots 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're going to be trying to pull mushrooms here. And driving straight through the shortcut. Yeah, this is, we're going to be here a little while. Especially if we play all 3 matches. My voice is going to be gone by the end of it. Okay, how many people took the shortcut? No one took the shortcut. I've never seen that in my life. Okay, that just means Team Lëtzebuerg get to keep their top 3. They may even be top 4. I'm pretty sure I just saw 2 Lëtzebuerg bags behind these. Yep, they're top 4. Okay, that's a good. That really puts the pressure on BenDK to stop any of the shock business happening. Okay, one of Team No Mo has caught up. Question is, they're going to get trailed. Welcome, Luna Pop. I realise you're a member of Team No Mo. Yeah, I know most casts don't usually read the chat, but I don't mind. I don't mind reading the chat. All those greens, that bump? No, he's fine, he's fine. Okay, one of No Mo manages to get up into second, but he's surrounded by Team Lëtzebuerg, so if he survives, I'll be very surprised. Man, I thought he hit the wall there, but I couldn't really tell it was going to lag. So Team Lëtzebuerg are in 1, 3, 4, 5 currently. You must be praying for that member in, must be praying for that No Mo member in second if you're a No Mo fan. The chat is the cast, definitely, I agree. Okay, here come Team No Mo coming up with their power items. Oh, unfortunate from Siege. He's absolutely slammed by that star. But his teammates are still well and truly up there. Team Lëtzebuerg just killed out the Waluigi that was in second, so they're top 2. Blue shell coming out for Team Lëtzebuerg. Absolute chaos in the mid-pack. What the hell is going on? Piranha Plant from Lazio just murders half of their team. Right, this looks incredibly good for Team Lëtzebuerg. Like, if a shock doesn't happen. If it does, Z's is dodging it. Watch out for the greens. Straight through the shortcut. I think BenDK got hit there, which is unfortunate. 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 12. 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 12. Welcome to us cheering for the members of Team Lëtzebuerg. Moo Moo Meadows. I don't know who picked this track. I've just said that. The only team I've ever known to pick this track is Team Scotland in the World Cup. They really like Moo Moo Meadows for some godforsaken reason. Okay, someone pulls a shroom mid-pack. That is a member of Team Lëtzebuerg. 2 of Team Lëtzebuerg pulls a shroom, so that's going to be extremely good for them. I think he gets hit on the minimap, but not. He doesn't actually slow down, so he's fine. Team Lëtzebuerg have taken 1, 3. The spots are basically just an absolute jumble at the moment. Every man for himself. Someone dies. That looks to be a member of Team No Mo. Z's is looking really good if he can hold this shroom up to the cart. Unfortunately, he has, like, not enough coins if he wants to keep pace with all of these people. He pulls a red. Manages to dodge the cow. Legendary cow dodge. And Team Lëtzebuerg are now in a comfortable top 3. And Zige has those coins I was just talking about. Going on the glider, extra swag points. I don't know why you bothered, because it's kind of slow, but, you know, it works for that. Top 4 for Team Lëtzebuerg. This is extremely good, because this track is basically a hard runner. You are not catching up on this track unless you call shot. But the pack is pretty close, so I wouldn't put it past No Mo. Just well, everything remains to be seen. Still top 4 though. They didn't hit the cows. Good job. I don't know if anyone was watching that D1 cast from a couple of weeks ago where one of them streamed cow. That was very funny. Just a little hype. I'm a bit hyped as well. Still top 3. I think I was top 3 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 12. But since, you know, you redeemed it, enjoy the screen. I keep forgetting to turn this off. Worm, last time I did one of these, did the play the harmonica one while I was casting. Right, so this track, in case you didn't know, is an extremely strong running track, which is very concerning at why Team No Mo picked it, because that's a very beneficial situation for Team Lëtzebuerg. But maybe they're just really, really good at this track. I mean, they managed to get into first and trail Ziege out, so they clearly can't be that bad. Oh, Ziege trails his teammate. Okay, maybe I had it all wrong. You know, well, as soon as I said that, I knew you were going to do that. Okay, I'll get to that after this race. I do have the harmonica here. So, Team No Mo are now in top 2, which is not good for Team Lëtzebuerg. Hello Charles, we played together. I remember your name very distinctly from in-game. You are an absolute legend of the game. Enough time for you, Team, to get them. You have to find the gas pedal. It's a top 3 for Team No Mo. Oh, Ziege goes for the snipe. Gets him off the wall, nice. But another one just comes to take his place. Unfortunately not. Oh, one of them gets raided out. Okay, so Team No Mo are only top 2 again. We do need to remember that Team No Mo does have Isabel back there. That's going to probably get them last. Because, I mean, poor little Isabel. Yeah, nice snipe. That was incredible from Ziege. Pinged it off the wall to get around his banana. Right, is Ziege going to be able to do anything about the Team No Mo members in front of him? BenDK gets hit by his teammate in last. That's not what you like to see. Catpoo's coming up. If anyone can stop them, I'd give it to him. Oh, I think he fell off. No, he didn't. Okay, good. As long as they don't get a terrible race, this is fine, because they are winning. Oh, a shock. That's a Team Lëtzebuerg shock, I'm pretty sure. I would sincerely hope, at least. Uh, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11. 3, 5, 7. While you were typing in the AM server, yeah, because I used the Toad bot in the AM server. I could add it to my personal server to not disturb you, but also I can't be bothered. I'm using till... Right, so, Pyro Circuit is a very strong top 2 track, so I imagine... Yawn. Okay, give my voice a second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, there. Pyro Circuit is a good top 2 track, so I can imagine Team No Mo picked that. Unfortunately, Ziege gets bananaed off the glider, which is really not what you like to see. However, one of Team Lëtzebuerg has really fought his way up. I think Team Lëtzebuerg are in top 2, maybe 2, 3. We're going to be getting a nice bagging POV from Ziege as he tries to grab those coins and catch up again. For those unfamiliar with this game, basically if you fall behind, there's 2 things you need. 1, coins, and 2, items. Ziege has both of those, so he's looking pretty good. Coins in this game increase your top speed, each one by 2%, as I think it is, so 20% in total if you get them all. Get him with a shock. Team No Mo is back here, and Team Lëtzebuerg seem to be in really good spots, so I don't think shock's actually necessary. Just up for Ziege to catch up. Okay, nice. Ziege just activated his bill around the corners. Nearly runs down one of his teammates, runs down one of the opposition. Comes up to BenDK, misses the boxes, that's unfortunate. Really don't want to do that. Right, there are 4 monkeys on Team Luxembourg, I'm pretty sure. All the monkeys and Mortons. Okay, Kapu is holding blue, you can see from that. So that means Team Luxembourg are in top 2, maybe top 3. It just depends if they pull, enemy team pull shot. Yeah, Kapu is still holding his blue shell. This is looking very good for Team Luxembourg. There are 4 monkeys, definitely. Big fan of the Donkey Kong. Welcome, Sam. I hope you're well. Okay, let's see how this goes. Team Luxembourg still holding their top spots. He's starring up. Bumped into the wall. That corner is really hard to do while you're going fast. Runs down the opposition on the line. Oh, I think Team No Mo got into first. Yeah, they did. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, I think that was. 8. So there's 4 races left. Team No Mo to make up 26 points, which is very doable. But all Team Luxembourg needs to do is get tie races from now on. And Team Luxembourg will be the winner of the first match. Team Luxembourg, Cheap Cheap Beach. What is there to say other than this is terrifying? These guys are so fast here. So Zeej manages to batter his way right up to the front, knocking everyone out of his way with Donkey Kong's insane weight. Team No Mo are in 2. Oh, that banana. You gonna see anything happening? Okay, oh, Horn in second. Oh, he dodges it. Read him? Yeah, nice. Zeej perfectly punishes his aggressive Horn. That Team No Mo member really should have seen that Zeej had a red behind him. That was a bit of a tragic mistake from him. Okay, Zeej is up here by himself. So it's down to him to hold this down. And you hope and pray that they don't pull double reds or a blue happens. Oh wait, no, Team Luxembourg are now in second. Okay, Zeej is totally fine. Zeej is gaming. We need BenDK POV. Yeah, I would really like a BenDK POV, but he's not streaming, unfortunately. All we have is Zeej. But you know, Zeej is good at the game. We like Zeej. I do like having 2 POVs, but unfortunately I only got the 1 today. Which probably allows me to not be an idiot and keep switching between them. Right, there's still top 2 for Team Luxembourg. But they do have a lot of bottom spots. Or Team Luxembourg gets hit out. Oh, but then he hits them straight in return, so now they're still top 3. Top 3, 4. Top 3, 4. Yes, congratulations me. That's called top 4. Okay, so top 4, and then some mid spots. This could honestly, like, be the nail in the coffin for Team No Mo. Just make it so that it's so hard to catch up. Slows down. Incredible play from Z. Slows down so his teammate doesn't get blued. Top 3, 5, 6, 10. Doobert is me. I'm the one who plays Toadette. You probably recognize me for Toadette. That's what I do. Anyway, 3 races left. Enough about me. We don't care about that. We care about Team Luxembourg here. Zeej going for the right coins. A good fangirling hard. Yeah. Right, Team Luxembourg. Oh, nice from the Morton player in first. Trails out one of the opposition. Waterpark is an extremely strong inward track, and this Team Luxembourg have 2 players who use the Yoshi bike, being an inside drifting bike. This is extremely good for them. That was a sentence, I think. My brain wasn't sure. Oh, nice play from the other Morton player. Lars knocks out 2 of the opposition. Lars is a fiend with boomerangs. I'll tell you that again from personal experience. You see Lars pull a boomerang behind you, you can just say goodbye, because you're getting hit. Oh, wow, banana strike from the opposition hits 2 of Team Luxembourg. That's really not what you like to see if you're a Luxembourgish fan. I think I know what race you, but I haven't been racing in a while. Okay, fair enough. Right, Team Luxembourg are in 1. Oh, blue shell coming out for the Team Luxembourg in first. My bet is that's Kapu, because Kapu is incredible. Australian boy is mate of the boomerang. I have a teammate that does that. Every time he gets a boomerang, he switches to an Australian accent. It's very funny. Oh dear, Team Luxembourg gets blue shelled out of first. This is not looking good for Team Luxembourg. Team Luxembourg getting hit again. However, there are still quite a few of No Mo very far at the back. Yeah, that was definitely Capu that was up at the front. Oh, barely dodges that banana. Can he dodge the star as well? It's comeback, isn't it? Yeah, of course it's comeback. Right, let's see what happened there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 12. I'll put my personal opinions of the track aside and just say it's a good running track. And if you're a fan of Team Luxembourg, you're very happy it didn't get picked. Royal Raceway is, however, a Team Luxembourg track. Z's already starting to bag. They're very good at playing shock on this track, and shock is very deadly on this track because you can shock everyone into the pond. Okay, Team No Mo have established that Team Luxembourg are planning to bag and are also bagging. Oh, it's an instant boo. This is not what you want to pull, that one, because you instantly have to go, guys, can I steal your items? Even though we're like 10 seconds into the race. Still stopping per set. Right, we need to keep a close eye on the Team Luxembourg, the Team No Mo member around. Okay, we've got 2 members of Team Luxembourg bagging. They must be, either this has gone really bad or they're really committing for a shock. All they need is basically a tie shock, and suddenly they're going to be... Okay, another member of Team No Mo has come back. Aziz, my good friend, what are you doing? I'm going to not ask any questions and just pretend that was the plan. Okay. Both of them pulled Golden Bill, which is not what you want if you want a shock. I think that's a shock. I'm pretty sure that was a shock from Team No Mo. No, okay, I think he's going too fast. I think that might have been golden. It's really hard to tell with this pixely screen what's actually going on. No, okay. I'm glad someone else can see the screen better than I can. Looked like a coin to me. It definitely wasn't a coin, I can tell you that much. Team No Mo still in top 2. Looking very worrying for Team Luxembourg. Especially since Z's is really not... Oh, Z's dodges. I'm pretty sure that was a Team No Mo shock though. Just Z's happened to dodge it. Or maybe it was from BenDK, I can't tell. Now that did look pretty good for Team Luxembourg. I can't tell. Take off my glasses for 5 minutes. Cool. I'll do that. I now can't see even more. I have to sit right on top of the camera. The camera? No, the screen. Oh dear. Okay. Oh, that's really unlucky. He gets ready through his triple bananas over the glider. Not what you like to see. Oh dear, the triple greens from his teammate. There's nothing you can really do about that. This is looking very bad for Team Luxembourg. Uh, 3, 4, 8, bottom 3. Plus 20, yeah, plus 20 to TL. All they need is to not get top 3'd again, and they win. Last race, definitely. All to play for. Go TL, go! Okay, 2 of them slowing down to softback. Uses that mushroom very fast. I cannot see a thing. Okay, I'm just going to look at the mini-map. Total mid-spots. A monkey gets whacked mid-pack. Oh, another one gets hit. Okay, so Team No Mo are now in top 3. Oh, instant bullet. I think he's planning on going for shock then. You like Mexican beer. Fair enough. I don't drink, so I can't add my opinion on that. Team Luxembourg are just operating basically all of the mid-spots, which is not what you want on this track. You either want to be up in front or way at the back. That's a good bill pull from Zish though. Like, that's really strong. All 3 bills are in play. I bet shock is getting pulled this set. Epic quality. Shut up, Jim. But also, yeah. So it's the best we're working with, alright. Team Luxembourg are now... Oh, no, I was about to say they got up into first, but they got whacked out. It's kind of do or die for Team Luxembourg, not looking good. All mid spots. Blue shell coming in for Team No Mo. Hoping they can avoid it. Oh, he gets hit by the blue. Oh dear, he gets redded. Oh dear, that does not look good. Okay, no, I think they're fine. I totally missed what the scores were. I had a meltdown for a second. Right, hold on. Let me go to the VOD. We can have a look from the VOD. Lars has gone off lineup. Let's get Mayo. Fair enough. It's because Mayonetta is too long to fit with a tag. Okay, yeah. Team Lëtzebuerg starting RMC. Very good choice. Due to their commanding top spots. Very good luck. That's so much cooler than good luck. Your language is just fundamentally cooler than ours. Like, I just have to tell you that. Ours is so boring. When I say ours, I mean English. Nice. Team Lëtzebuerg gets their track pick. Burger King. I don't know. I don't eat much of the much fast food, so I can't really tell you. Right. I need to start another war on my Toadbot. I will get a better method of doing the scores sorted one day. Right. One of them burns out. That's an interesting start. Yeah, so they were top 4. If they'd got Wario Stadium there, that would have been rough. Right, war has been started. Oh, gets a shroom into first. I blinked and he's in first with a shroom and 4 coins. This is looking insanely good for Siege. Okay, we now have the Rosalina, which is Team Lëtzebuerg. Back in 12th. So Team Lëtzebuerg are operating most of the top spots and the bottom spots, which is a very good situation to be on this track. Gets his defense stolen. Oh, and a red shell comes in. That's really not what you like to see. That is very bad, actually. Fortunately, his teammate's here to assist, so they should be fine. If his teammate can red out the Waluigi, yes, he did. Okay, that was really good. That guy had a shroom and would have shroomed up into first had it not been killed. Oh, triple greens. It's really rough. Is he going to go for a bomb snipe? Okay, well, they decide to team kill. And he blows one of them up with a bomb. Okay. This is kind of chaos, I'm going to be completely honest. A blue shell goes straight up and straight back down onto their head. Putting Team Lëtzebuerg in top 3. Like, this is a hard bagger, so I wouldn't put them out of it. Oh, there's a bomb in 4th. Some trolling might get done with that. Oh, there it goes. Barely avoided it. Nice, that's like the perfect item you want. You basically just become a wall. And then shroom up. Dodge all the greens. 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. 1, 3, 4, 5. Not anything that's going to decide the war, but that's just a good start. Because also, bear in mind, if you're Team No Mola, the pressure is really on, because you need to win this match in order to stand a chance. So just having one bad race to start might really do some damage to their mental state. Zeus gets the shroom. He just needs to not get trailed now. Manages to get the double trick. And Zeus is plain sailing up into first. Has Team No Mola behind him, but, you know, he's got his doubles. And Zeus is a hell of a driver. I don't think he's going to be losing first for a while. Okay, and Team Lëtzebuerg are on their way up. So Team Lëtzebuerg are 1-3, but not much else. Someone gets redded off the glider into the abyss. That was a member of Team No Mola. Getting hit down there is so bad because you have to go the slow way round, which is very, very bad. Throws the banana. I'm not sure what the point of that was, but I guess so. Throws the green. Oh dear, gets fired again. Not good. Team Lëtzebuerg are now in... Oh, Disease cannot get a break. He's just being set on fire from left, right, and centre. That's not the pull you want while you're mid-pack with all your teammates. He's going to go wide to make sure he doesn't kill anyone. Okay, you're really hoping BenDK can pull that shock. Because, this is not a good situation for Team Lëtzebuerg. They basically need a shock, or they're going to lose this race. Blue shell coming in is going to help, but, you know, when there's 5 of them up there. So he's just on his way up, bit of a lag spike, I can't see what's going on. Okay, Team Lëtzebuerg managed to get into first, drop a bomb back. I think they make a driving error though, so lose their first. Never mind, still in second. Just a bit of lag. So 2-3. Is he just going to get redded? Oh, he barely blocks the red shell. Incredible play. Oh, and he gets greened on the landing. Ah, but the dude who greened him greens himself, so it doesn't make much difference. Still not what you like to see. Gets set on fire one last time, just for good measure. So much fire. 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Well, definitely an odd choice, considering they're starting in 1-3. To see what happens. Z's didn't manage to get a box, which is not what you like to see. And I don't think either the other Team Lëtzebuerg member did. You get one monkey with a shroom there. Not disappointing yourself. That just happens. Tons of like that. Ooh, Team No Mola pulls triple greens mid-pack and just goes absolutely ham. Knocks out, I believe, BenDK. Putting Team No Mola in top 4. Top 5. Okay, this is certainly an interesting situation. All the stock ones, well, I think Team No Mola are top 6. This is what I was talking about, this track being a questionable pick. But we'll have to see. I wouldn't put it past Team Lëtzebuerg to catch this up. Have to see what happens. Might need some of those coins. Okay, I don't think they have shock, otherwise they would have held the dodges. Running streams. Okay, some of Lëtzebuerg, no, sorry, some of Team No Mola are going to hit mid-pack. Oh, it's a cow, unfortunate. Those cows are pretty easy to hit sometimes. Triple stream star, that's a good pull. Unfortunately, I don't know if it's going to be enough to get all the way back up. Going to manage to pass a couple people though. I think that's a top 4 for team. Okay, only top 3. Top 3 and last, okay. 4, 5, 6, 7. You'll have to see it. Rennen. Rennen is such a better word than race. Did that appear on stream? No, it didn't, thank God. I got a Steam notification and it just appeared on stream, on my perspective. So these streams up, but I think there's so many of Team No Mola up here that it's not going to make too much of a difference. And Red could red one of them off the glider here. Well, there's so many of them behind him, it's probably smart to hold on to this for defense. Ah, that was an unlucky green. Sometimes when you're landing, it's really hard to steer out of the way of them. But this is still looking fine for Team Lëtzebuerg, just a bunch of mid-spots. Is that Kaku all the way back there? I still don't know how to pronounce that. I'm really sorry if you're from Lëtzebuerg and really offended by that. No, okay. I'm not sure who that is, who that monkey is all the way back there. Team Lëtzebuerg really have these mid-spots down there. Green bouncing around. One of the Team No Mola players gets hit by a bouncing green. Blue shell incoming. This is really good for Team Lëtzebuerg. Because that person got redded and then blued. Putting Team Lëtzebuerg in first. Red's one of them out and then he blows up his teammate. Yikes. Try cut. Okay, I'll look at that in a second. I'm really sorry. Okay, Team Lëtzebuerg are up in first though. Gonna really hope that he's able to hold that down. No one's getting hit. Oh, so one of Team Mola gets, two of Team Mola gets hit. I think that's BenDK on an absolute mad rampage. BenDK, I have to, he's a good bagger, but he's an incredible pack player. You're mid-pack with BenDK, he will hit you. I think he's knocking people around left, right, and centre. Have to see if that dude in first can hold that down. Very close. Okay, managed to keep it. Team No Mola getting hit all over the place. One monkey gets hit on the line. That's not what you like to see. 1, 4, 5, 8, 9, 12. 1, 4, 5, 8, 9, 12. They've, that was a good choice by them. I mean, what isn't a good choice? What is a choice? Track picks don't mean that much. Well, okay, they do. Oh dear, first burns out. That's not what you like to see. But, you know, it happens. I must confess I do it a lot. Okay, Team Lëtzebuerg still in first. It's very easy to tell what's going on in this match because all the Waluigis are Team No Mola and everything else is Team Lëtzebuerg. So the 4 Donkey Kongs and the Rosalina and the Morton. Okay, Team Mola gets hit and Zeege also gets hit. Well, that's fine. Like, that's not a bad spot to get hit because all you're doing is going to the back of the pack. That bomb misses everyone. Unfortunate. That bomb, if that bomb had been aimed slightly to the left, that would have crippled, like, the entire lobby. Chaining set, unfortunately in 8th. For those unaware, getting a box while you're in 8th place is really, really bad. For some reason, the items you get in 8th are just terrible. And no one knows why. Wow, meta, yeah, definitely. Zeege will shock in 10th. Wait, no, I'm blind. The stream froze while Shock was being hovered, and I thought you called it. I'm so sorry for that. Yeah, you know, you see how the item reels things. The stream froze for a second while it was overshot, so I thought you called it. That's really funny. Oh dear, it gets hit down. Nearly manages to trick all the way up to get items still. But Team No Mola is still in top 3. Well, this final corner can really change everything. Oh, this is looking not good for Team Lëtzebuerg. One of them gets hit back. A couple of monkeys goes up, gets hit. Oh, this looks like an absolute disaster. Uh, 2, 6, 8, bottom 3. Oh dear. Okay, it was 2, 6, 8. Let me get that score sorted. While they're starting off 2, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. Minus 22. Okay, so Team No Mola are now in the lead by 6 points. Have to see what that's going to do. That Team Lëtzebuerg on the bagging track. Right, a slow start to the race. This is a hard bagger, so basically, being at the back is really where you want to be. However, being at the front isn't also too bad. You have top 2 for Team Lëtzebuerg while they're all bagging. It's a very good set to be in, but it is only lap 1 on a hard bagger, so this doesn't mean too much. Team No Mola stopping to try and bill Zeege, I think? Or just check what item he had. Nice, okay, golden and then a bill. This could be perfect if Zeege knows about the billing section, which I imagine he does. I'm going to chain it set in 10th, and then take the bullet bill up to the shortcut. When using the bullet bill in the shortcut, it goes for an equal shock as well. That's perfect. You have to see what they're going to do with this. I doubt they're going to get too much, considering how many top spots they have. We'll have to see. That corner is really, really weird after you come out the bill. Okay, Team No Mola know he has it, and he dodges one of them, but I think he dodges 2 of his teammates as well. Yeah, okay, that was a really good shot. One of them gets blued. Yeah, that was a very, very lucky shot call. Unfortunate about that trail from one of them. Knocks out. Oh, those greens are never quite in the right place. There we go, gets him. Never mind, he's still here. Nice snipe, Siege. Oh, but he loses the spot on the line. 2, 4, 8, 9, bottom 2. Oh dear. I'm not sure that shock was quite what they needed. Right, okay. 2, 4, 8, 9, 11, 12. In minus 16. Team No Mola up by 22 points now. They're on Dry Desert, which means absolutely nothing for the first lap and a half. Oh, he's going in the... He drops the bananas in the pit. Fair enough. Okay. So Team Lëtzebuerg still in top 2. There's a lot of runners on this track compared to what I'm used to seeing. Usually like half the lobby goes back. Or more than half the lobby actually. Early shot. That looked to be a Team No Mola shot. No, that looked to be a Team Lëtzebuerg shot. 2 of Team Lëtzebuerg dodged up. Which is very good. Unfortunately, that was only the start of lap 2, so that might mean there's going to be another shot, which would kind of invalidate that first one. Siege is not having a good day back here, but, you know, it's dry desert. It means basically nothing. Right, Team No Mola on their way up. You've got Team Lëtzebuerg still in top 3. But you have to see how well they're going to hold this. Siege pulls a star. Definitely a good spot to pull it. Right, start of lap 3 is usually when most people do their catching up. You can see, I believe, one of Team Lëtzebuerg cuts through the golden cut, all the way up to the front. Still in top 3. Ooh, I think they might have team killed that. Saw Mayonnaise spin out. Still gets a box. Triple shrooms, okay. Very mixed spots, but Team Lëtzebuerg is still in top 2, but I really imagine that in 3-4 they're going to have shrooms. Is he going to be able to get a new box? Yep. Oh, only a single shroom, that's not what you want. Oh, apparently the Team Lëtzebuerg member who snuck into second had a star. 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 12. 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 12. Them again. Or has Team Lëtzebuerg learnt what they're about to do? Maybe the community has this track all wrong and it is in fact just a hard bagger. As last time. Yeah. Over late game. We'll have to see. My Team No Mola in top. No, I was about to say top 2, but no, that's only one of them. Lots of Waluigi biddies, but with Siege being a heavy on a wiggler, it's going to be bumping them all over the place. Kiwi knocks one of them out. Boomerang. Okay, 1, 4, 5, I believe, for Team No Mola. Siege gets the back with a boomerang, knocking 2 of them out. Okay. There's still one of them behind him. Okay, Team Lëtzebuerg now in 2. Oh, the back. That's brutal. That's a really good spot for backing. Such a tight corner that you can usually never see it coming until it's too late. Team Lëtzebuerg is still in 2, 3. Was an odd place to stream, I will be honest. Where's that guy into the star? Everyone's falling off. Looks like an aftermath war over here. Okay. It still looks pretty good for Team Luxembourg, honestly. Bunch of mid-spots, but the people at the back do have a couple of sets coming up. And if you can pull a bullet through the S-band section, well, that's really good, obviously. It's a single box. Oh no, he gets a double. Blue shell. That might be huge. Oh dear, no, but the dude in second gets hit out. Unfortunate star. Yeah, that dude in first is far too gone for that blue shell to matter. Okay, that shot was Team Luxembourg, but I don't know if it's going to be enough. I'm not even sure what happened there. That looked really rough. Uh, 2, 4, 7, 8, 11. 4 races. We'll have to see. Have to see what they have in mind. Right. Let's go. Yeah, each war is 12 races. And it's the first team to get to 492 total points. The colour being red is a really bad choice in this track. Let me sort that out. Let's go yellow. There we go. That's even worse. Let's go green. There we go. One day I'll set up like a really professional one of those, but I don't have one yet. So we're doing Comic Sans with underline. Anyway, back to the race. Team Luxembourg are in top 2. Maybe top 3? No, only top 2. But with Z's streaming up, this is looking incredibly strong for them. Taking the commanding lead of the race early on. Really putting the pressure onto Team No Mola to try and knock them out. Red going up. Well, speaking of, one of them gets redded out. Lots of mid spots for Team Luxembourg currently. Team No Mola still in bottom 3. That bomb, you've got to be worried about that bomb if you're Zige. There is Team No Mola behind him, so maybe you'll be fine. Okay, throws the bomb forward. Ooh, triple shrooms in third. That's really good. Unfortunately, going to be getting glued out of first. Oh, that shock was incredible for Team No Mola. Honestly, like half their team just dodged. Oh, Mayo runs a teammate down. That's not quite what you want. Trailing each other left, right and centre. There's still a bunch of mid spots, not over. All close match, yeah, it's been really back and forward. These gets 2 of them with a horn, and I think his teammate, unfortunately. Tiello in 2-3. If they pull shrooms there, they might be able to do something insane here. Fire going up. Completely misses. No, he hits one of them, ricochets it off the wall. As long as they don't star each other here, I think Team Luxembourg just got top 2. 1, 3, 4, 6, 9, 11. 1, 3, 4, 6, 9, 11. Also, welcome, Liam. Do you know what's going on in the actual D1 thing? Because I haven't looked. Wait, no, that was top 2 from Team Luxembourg. That means I messed the scores up somewhere. Uh-oh. Okay, I think Team Luxembourg have 4 more points than I think they do. Who cares about D1? I mean, I don't care about D1 at all. That's D17, that's where it's at. Everyone's in the right place then. Welcome to D17. I don't know, I find watching low div play far more entertaining. This is the real okay, we are just the real one. I don't know, like watching D1's cool, but like they always drive so optimally, nothing crazy happens. It's all just people playing 8D optimally. Low div, oh, you're in for a wild ride. Anyway, back to the race. Team Luxembourg are in 1-3 with a couple of spots towards the back. I don't know if that's good. I don't know how this track works. Z's just sprays shells everywhere. Manages to kill absolutely no one. Unfortunate. Capu gets readied out of first. But, never mind. Okay, no, they're basically tied. Side by side, I mean. Blue shell coming in, that's a perfect time for that. Oh, bomb! Barely avoids it and it knocks out Team No Mola. That's huge. Team Luxembourg up into top 2. No. 1-3. Oh, unlucky boomerang. Oh dear. They are all over the place. Team No Mola are everywhere. See if they can pull them apart a bit. It's really down to Capu to hold down first. If he loses this, this might be the end of the war. The boomerang, he just cannot catch a break from that thing. Uh, 1, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12. Race 11. Everything to play for, definitely. Got to give it up to Capu there. Holding down that first was like... Well, they would have lost the war right then, if that didn't happen. Did the stream just die? The stream just died from my perspective. Sorry, everyone. Very cursed. Oh, that red. Very rough. Oh, good, you back. Epic. My internet has a thing of doing that. Cuts out all the time. Okay, Team Luxembourg still holding down first, but I'm really struggling to see the rest of the spots. Okay, it's a bunch of mid spots with a resident bagger monkey in 12. The stream is completely frozen for me. Oh, there we go, we're back. Okay, no, there's a ping from Mario Kart Central. Oh, they're on to match 3. Alright. I forget that D1 wars finish so much faster than loaded wars because, you know, they're faster because people drive faster. Okay, that guy just took 3 reds to the face despite not having any defense. Anyway, Team Luxembourg are now in top 4. If a shock doesn't get pulled, top 5 actually. Team Luxembourg are top 5. If there's no shock, this is phenomenal. They're no longer top 5. Their guy in 5th got absolutely walloped. Mayonetta, why are you trailing? 2 bananas. Okay, throwing them into the water. Doing a little pollution on the way past. That's fine. Okay, shock is usually pulled from first set. This set here, because of all the split roads, the item counter just breaks. So you can end up with pulling some really wild items in very low positions. Team Luxembourg are back there now, so even if shock get pulled, I doubt it's going to be too bad for them. Still in top 3. Team Luxembourg goes into a bill. All 3 bills are in play. I think shock's in play. At a guess. Blue shell incoming. I think Capu's too far ahead. I doubt that's going to change much. Oh, Zeech, that's not what you want to. That's not what you want to do. Don't talk about the shock, you'll jinx it. I'm just calling it as I see it, I'm afraid. That was crazy, but I think they got bottom 4. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. So intense. Right. I'm gonna go full into the bias. Come on, Luxembourg, you've got this. I believe in the dream. Just for context, Team Luxembourg have played nearly every MKU season since the tournament started. And I don't believe they've ever won a division. Is that about to change? We'll find out in the next couple minutes. Or the next hour, maybe. Hopefully not. Right, 1, 3 for Team Luxembourg. Green's coming up on Zeech. Dodges them like an absolute master. Might be able to get a cheeky red off on second here. Yeah, goes for it. If he changes set, he's getting hit. Nice, blocks the red. Still 1-3. Oh, you can hear the greens coming up from everywhere. Yep, unfortunate. That area is so deadly. I forgot how to breathe. I don't have COVID, by the way. I just have asthma. Okay, they just killed a lot of Team Luxembourg, but no Team No Mola just died. So they are in 1, 3, 4. Oh dear. Dude in first gets hit. Out. Blue shell incoming. What is going to happen here? Are they going to stop and let Zeez take it? He's got shrooms. That was crazy. Absolutely wild. In fact, I don't even know how to comment on that. Still top 2 though. Team Luxembourg do have a lot of bottom spots. They do need a pretty strong race. Oh no, they're top 3 apparently. Okay. Still those spots back there. If they get top 3, that doesn't actually quite win it. They need to get +6 to tie, and then they'll go into a tiebreaker GP. But Team Lux... Is he using a shroom in first? Okay, he uses it. I was about to say, he's got a shroom in first so we can dodge a blue if one comes. Unfortunately that happens. Okay, Team Luxembourg have a lot of members back there. This is not looking good. A few of them are catching up. Did Donkey Kong just dab? Yes, he did. Mid spots for Team Luxembourg. If they get first in a bunch of mid spots, that will be it. I don't see Zeez losing this. That's looking good. If Méi can catch up a little bit. I think she gets blown up by a bomb. That's unfortunate. Oh, I think they got bottom 2. 3, 4, 8, 10, 12. No! That's a loss by 2 for Team Luxembourg. Yikes. Wait, no it isn't. No, I remember I messed up the scores earlier. Hold on. Let me print screen that. Let me work it out. See what's going to happen. This is so intense. I've never seen this. No, why did I copy a link to the channel? What is wrong with me? I need to copy message. Oh, stream froze for a sec. It's back. Right, copy text. There we go. Right, the war has been restarted. I was asked earlier if Wales is part of England. That makes me mad. Wait, no. England is the bit that isn't you. Or Scotland. Or Northern Ireland. Yeah, this is way more interesting than D1. That is not a repick, no. Okay, Cheeseland to start off. This is more hype than the official MKC cast. Thanks, Salster. I doubt it's more hype than the official MKC cast. It's more chaotic, I'll give you that. Also, I just reread that. Right, okay. Come on, Luxembourg. Okay, Zeez is going for a trip in the cheats. Those words are interchangeable. Okay, fair enough. Welcome. Yeah, I think it's really fun that we can just have a talk about all the different countries we're from. The internet is fantastic that I can just speak to people from mainland Europe without needing to get on a boat. They're not allowed to repick. No, they cannot repick. This is the most intense PowerPoint I've ever seen. That's hilarious. Yeah, this is crazy. Incredible PowerPoint. Okay, Team Luxembourg are in top 2. Top 2, 5, 6. With only 2 members back there. This might be bad if the enemy team pulls shock, but otherwise they'll be in a really good spot. Lots of coins as well. Oh, unlucky about that red. Really not what you want, but also kind of fine actually because it's cheese on it. Nice, triple shroom star. If enemy team pulls shock, he will be in a good spot. I thought he was going to shroom into that blue there, but Zeez is better than that. Zeez knows what's up. Oh wow! Team Luxembourg managed to drop the blue shell onto them. Oh, watch out, it's very easy to fall in the pit there. Yo! Welcome, Pacey. We just had a tiebreaker and they're on a 4-match GP to tiebreak. Team Luxembourg up 1 point. If they win these 4, they'll be the champions. Zeez goes into a boo. Top 3 for Team Luxembourg. But most of No Mola are hot on their tail. That's another member of Team Luxembourg coming up there. Luxembourg are everywhere. The Team No Mola player gets killed. This will be history. This will be their first ever MKU win, and they've played every season since season 1. Oh, unfortunate about the trick. One, 3, 5, 8, 9, 11. You wild woods. I can hear Snuffy casting the match to probably his friends in the other room. Good job, Snuffy. You're really loud, by the way. I'm back. Welcome back, Yoshi Kid. They had a tiebreaker. This is the most intense thing I've ever seen in my life. Right, Team Lëtzebuerg are in one. Top two. I heard a trail sound. I don't know who it is. If they do that, it's legit probably the opposite of World Friend. Okay. Oh, the green. Unlucky. Team Lëtzebuerg still in top 2. This has turned into a total PowerPoint. I can't see anything that's going on. Donkey Kong's voice lines are really weird. Yeah, what are the chances of going up? Okay, they are 1-4, I think. Capu is really holding this down for them. Microsoft is lagging out hard right now. Oh dear, a blue shell. That's really not what you like to see. Oh, that's terrible for them. Still in 3-4 though. It's not over. The quality doesn't excel. Definitely not. That was I couldn't even see what was going on there. All I know is that Team No Mola are now top 4, top 5. Okay, Team Lëtzebuerg are going to need that shock if they're going to pull this back. They have the dodges to dodge if they pull it. Come on, BenDK, you got this. Pull that lightning bolt. Blue shell incoming. One Waluigi gets hit. Gets hit by the bullet, unfortunate. Goes into a boo. Any shock? Yeah, I know, I understood the pun. The unfortunately limiting factor was it wasn't funny. Which is why I didn't laugh. Anyway, that looks very bad for Team Lëtzebuerg. We'll have to see. 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12. It's ironic how the only rule is don't be a clown and you just clown them. Oh, one of Team No Mola burns out. The don't be a clown doesn't apply to me. I'm sure you're aware of that. Because otherwise I would have broken my rule on the first screen. Hypocrite alert. Yeah, I'll take that. Right, Team Lëtzebuerg are in 1. They're in first and every single mid spot. Yeah, I know, we're all messing about this kid, it's okay. I can't tell what's going on. This frame rate is astonishing. Right, Team Lëtzebuerg in 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I can breathe. It's so exciting. My heart. Don't need to reiterate it about yourself. Oh, triple nanas. Okay. Very good to defend himself if they try and do any back spam. Or will he try and go for a snipe off the glider? He's going for a snipe. He misses. But the attempt was there. Oh! Capu gets the back spam. Never mind. That was some extremely bad lag. I saw that guy go backwards and he teleports back up in front. But Team No Mola are bottom 3, I'm pretty sure. Boomerang, close. Not quite. Is he going to go for it here? Knocks him out. Oh, and he tries to horn him and misses. Team Capu still up in first. I know he said Team Capu. Triple greens, trails him out. Blue incoming. Oh, is he going off the glider? Oh, he went off the glider. That's really bad. Team No Mola are coming up in force. Team Kahoot, definitely. Or triple bananas. You just say, yeah, I did, but I... Oh, that obviously was wrong. Very hard to tell what's going on. Top 2 currently. Team Angus. We're renaming after Mass, gentlemen. 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Incoming instinct moment. No, they've got this. I have so much faith in them right now. Baby Park. It's just Team Luxembourg land. Get it? Because their country's the size of Baby Park. You have seen it before. Okay, good. Okay, Z-Stars' teammate. I can't tell what's going on. I believe in TL. We all believe in TL. They have this. Meant that their mental age is... Nah, their mental age... These guys have the mental age of 4,000. Right, I can't tell what's going on. I've got no idea what's going on, so I'm just going to sing Baby Park. Oh, what the hell was that bomb? Okay, someone's up in first. Incredible observation. They just killed them out. Blue is coming in for someone. Hitting Team Mola out first. This might be it. They're top 2. Team Luxembourg are everywhere. This might actually be it. They just killed him out. They're top 4! I think they just did it. One, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10. I can't tell. But is that enough? I need to go back and look at the thing. I think I messed it up. Right, let me go back. Announcer. Wow. Right, they've got all the tracks back. In your Twitch chat, perhaps. Quite possible. Okay, we're now going to do a prediction. Start prediction. No. Start prediction. Yes, right. Wow, oh, the last one. What could I win first try? Who will win the 17? Objective 1. TL. And then TNM. And then we'll do the prediction for 5 minutes. Got it. From Discord. That's not very specific. I'm in a lot of Discord servers. Okay, best of luck both teams. Make sure you predict on the poll. Okay, I can't see what's going on. Someone votes 600 for Team NM. Right, okay, let me actually look at the screen. Glorified PowerPoint is once again back. Streamers can't predict on their own prediction. What the hell? Okay, they're top. They're first, second. What the heck? Pacey, you madman. Thank you so much for the 5 gifted subs. That is incredible. I've not had that happen in such a long run. You did, you're a TNM member. Awesome. Good for you. Your team is awesome. I've got to say. Anyway, right, let me get back to the match. Team Luxembourg are in first and a bunch of mid spots. You hope. Oh, a bomb goes off, knocking out a lot of Team Luxembourg. And one of them getting trailed, but then Mayo hits them in return and then gets hit. That's insane. D17 LBDB. They played in the semi-finals, didn't they? I think I remember. I remember looking at D17 more than I did D16, because I didn't care about my own division. I wanted Team Luxembourg to win. Was a good match, definitely. As much as I want TL to win, I would really like to see you guys win. You guys seem awesome as well. How selfless. No, that's not called being selfless, that's called being stupid. As a leader, I should be actually keeping track of my own division. Right, Team Luxembourg are top 2, but with a couple spots really far back. No, they're like top 3 now. Absolutely incredible, bunch of mid spots. This looks like a very good start for them. Top 4, if a shock doesn't come down, this is going to be a monstrous start for Luxembourg. What division are you in? I'm in the division above, B16. Well, I was in the division above. We got eliminated in the semi-finals. I'm from Aftermath. Oh, one of them appears out of absolutely nowhere and snatches second, I think. I don't know where that guy came from. Must have been in a boo. 1, 3, 4, 5, 9, 11. Most of the Luxembourgish players voted for 1. May the odds be in their favour. Okay. Let's see how this goes. This first set is usually very chaotic. I think Capu hits the dirt and gets knocked out of bounds. Not out of bounds, sorry, just off the side. So he's onto the dirt. Gets super bounce though, straight back up into first. The gambling is strong, definitely. When the gambling is ever present. Oh, the guy in first doesn't have defense and Z's does have a win. If he gives space for Capu, we can kill him. I don't think they're going to bother. You know, it's worth playing safe. I respect them not going for the risky play. All I can tell you is if Z's had been comeback right there, that red would have been thrown instantly. Top 2 for Team No Mola. How do they know how to keep the races spicy, definitely. This is incredible. It's been a good war. Yeah, both these teams are incredible. Read the script. Reading the script. Okay, Team Luxembourg are in a lot of mid but lower spots. Top 3? BenDK is up there. Oh, Z hits the banana on the ramp. That's unfortunate. Spoilers, no. Well, I'm looking forward to that. Oh, a shock. That got 2 of Team No Mola off the glider. That looked to be very good for Team Luxembourg. I think that's BenDK that dodged up, going right up to front. Oh, one of them dodging a boo. They're top 2. Absolute chaos in that corner. This corner may as well just be called Death's Corner, because everyone dies there. I imagine this was renamed, I know. Right, 1-3. Oh, got triple greens and a star in front of him. That was a ballsy place to shroom. He nearly went straight into those greens. So many triple greens in play. Z's, that was really not what you were meant to do. Anyway, moving on. Still in 1-4. Unfortunately, they've been dismantled a little bit. There is death on every single corner of the track, possibly. Another shock! I think that was a Team No Mola shock. In fact, almost definitely. Team Luxembourg did manage to get a couple dodges though. Oh, I think he fell off. No, he survived. I think a few of Team Luxembourg did fall though. Oh yeah, 3, 5, 7, bottom 3. Caught up with chat. Thanks once again, Pacey, for that. That's so nice of you. Sorry I wasn't able to give it more attention. My brain is frying itself over here. Okay, on to right. We call this track Try Hard Circuit because people bag on it, but that's a terrible name, so we're gonna call it Mario Circuit. You know, its proper name. Nice. Right, Team Luxembourg managed to knock one of them out, but they are top 3 again. Managed to hit one of them back. But Team Luxembourg are very, very good at this track. There's a reason they pick it so much. Oh, someone got redded. I couldn't tell who. Z manages to shroom past. Oh, and gets trailed when he's behind him. That is a classified Mario Kart 8 Deluxe moment. No, certified. Classified is a different thing. Ouch, bottom 3, yeah. Oh, blue coming in. Someone fires a horn. If they were trying to horn the blue, they missed it by about 8 seconds. Aziz decides to fire that guy instead of blocking the red, but, you know, maybe man wants to bag. Classified means secret, yeah, I remember. Doesn't want to go for the extra box, that's odd. Maybe they have shock. Mayonetta hasn't used an item in a little while, I think they have shock. Oh, I'm unlucky about the bill. No, Mayonetta has... Why is he holding this so long? Like, do they have shock? I can't tell. Oh, there they do have shock. They have shock. They need to use this now. Well, okay, I did say, I think that might have even still been too late. Yeah, definitely. Five, 6, 7, 9, or at least it's the one that people pick the most. Basically, there's no shortcuts, except for that silly little one at the end. There's boost panels everywhere, so catching up is just really, really challenging. One of the monkeys burns out, that's unfortunate. Essentially, Team Lëtzebuerg will need to break apart these top spots very fast, otherwise they're going to find themselves in a world of pain. Not going for ramp strat, respect. Who does that anyway? Overrated. You see, when watching a high div match, you know exactly how they're going to drive. It's going to drive optimally. When watching a low div match, ooh, you got no idea. Right, so Team Lëtzebuerg seem to be in a ton of mid spots. Not terrible, they just need to make sure they can actually get past. The stream's frozen. Ooh, bumping the... Yeah, unfortunate. Okay, Team Lëtzebuerg not in an ideal position here. Enemy team are top 4. They're going to need a shock and some really good catch-up if they're going to save this. Ooh, the fire, unfortunate. What's those greens? Very rough. Okay, enemy team are only top 3. A well-timed shot, and this could be well and truly back in Team Lëtzebuerg's favour. I just can't tell who's in the bill. Please look behind you, please. Okay, thank you. I couldn't see it. Oh, I think Capri just redded his teammate. No, not quite. No, that's Siege. Whoops, I'm getting confused. Okay, shock. That's a good shock. It's a really good shock for Lëtzebuerg. Especially if the person in that boo was Lëtzebuerg. Oh, the plant. Okay, it was. Catching up a little bit. Uh, 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 11. That was a very good shot from them. I must say, pulling the plant mid-pack was definitely not what that dude wanted, but, you know, sometimes you just take what you can get. Let's go, boys! All the bananas, unfortunate. Okay, so Team No Mola seems to have taken up a lot of the front spot once again. It's unfortunate for TL to need to be relying on shock so much. But that might be the only way they're going to break that top 4, top 5. It's just a line of Waluigi's. Oh, unfortunate, hits the wall. Yeah, that's a really messy corner sometimes. It's quite sharp. Plant coming in, knocks out one of the opposition. But gets hit himself. Blue incoming. I think that was thrown from No Mola, so they probably have a dodge of some description, a horn or a shroom. No, that was a Team Lëtzebuerg blue. Ooh, watch that. Edsiege barely avoids it. Makes it round. Okay. Team Lëtzebuerg are now in second. The situation is looking much better for them. 2, 3, 4. Now I just need to hold it down. And if they can pull another one of those blue shells, that'd be pretty good for them. Oh dear, they're getting hit all over the place mid-pack. Right, Zeez has double reds. Prime opportunity with his teammate behind him to knock this guy out first. Gets the red off. The dude had to use a horn to block the reds and is going to get blued for it. He's perfectly driving around. As long as he doesn't get double redded here. Or a shroom would probably cut it. Ah, unfortunate. Gets shroomed past right at the end. 2, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12. Race 6. Right. Let's hope they can sort this out. Let's game of a voting for tier, man. It's fine, people can support whoever. Being from a certain country doesn't mean you have to support the team from there. Unfortunately, there aren't many other British teams for me to support, because there's only one British team, and it's us. Yeah, obviously. Yep. Everyone's good sports around here, we don't need to worry. Okay, Team Lëtzebuerg are choosing to run very heavily here. Maybe banking on the fact that they don't pull shot. That is a bomb, in case anyone unaware. Blue shell incoming. Wrong Lëtzebuerg's team. I forget you guys have 2 teams, that's cool. Team Lëtzebuerg coming up in pretty big force. 2, 3, 4. Managed to change set pretty nicely. Team Lëtzebuerg in 1, 3, and basically a big mix. Ooh, shock. That was a Team Lëtzebuerg shock. That is a huge shock for Team Lëtzebuerg. All plant, unfortunate. One of the Donkey Kongs gets hit over the glider. Alright, boys, remember sportsmanship. Yeah, we're all friends here. Looking like a very good race for Luxembourg, though. Coming up, top 3. Top 4, 6. Top 4, 6, 9. Do better next time. But what is not now can come later. But yeah, that was very cool for Team Lëtzebuerg. Pulls a red, instantly backs it onto that dude's face. Very amusing. Okay, Team Lëtzebuerg gets 1 shroom and No Mola gets 2. So putting Team No Mola in top 2. Let's see what happens up here. Team Lëtzebuerg do still have majority top spots though. Team No Mola on the bottom path. 2, 3 for Team Lëtzebuerg. With a lot of spots behind him. Zeez, watch out. Your teammate's right behind you. Don't trail him. Okay, nice. Whoa, jumps the banana back. Okay, avoids it. Top 2 for Team Lëtzebuerg. Top 3. If they can hold this down, that's incredible. They're in very good spots, and once again, they had that bagger all the way back there. Right, top 3. Yeah, okay. All they need to do is try and weather the storm. Unfortunately, Z's does not have many coins. So I don't know how easily he's going to be able to keep this top spot. He does have a horn though, so if a blue comes, he can try and defend his teammate. Oh, unfortunate. Let's read it out. Blue shell incoming. Will Zeej be able to defend his teammate? Nice, he gets it. Well played from Zeej. Incredible play. Banks one of the Waluigis. I think that was a Team Luxembourg shot. I'm pretty sure that was Mayo who dodged. Yeah, Mayo in the golden. Top 2 for Team Luxembourg. Zeej unfortunately gets absolutely walloped. Yeah, I don't know that shot was a good idea, I'm going to be honest. You had so much front presence anyway. We'll have to see if they can pass a few more of them. Blue incoming, gets past it. I think Mayo gets hit on the line. Where was the Morton? 1, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11. Five races left. There you go, let's just scream. Alright, only one of Team Luxembourg choosing to bag. They seem to be very confident running on the bagging tracks, and Mayonessa falls into the water holding a shroom. That is not quite what you want to see. Unfortunate. 5 races left. Ah! Incredible. Okay, Team Luxembourg have been well and truly whacked out of top 2. Still top 2 though. No, sorry. Still 3, 4, 5. No, 3, 4, 6. Anyway, it's lap 1 Yoshi Circuit. What does this even mean? Did Team No Mola just blew themselves up? First place dropped a bomb on second. Okay. Blue incoming. Is Zeej going to be able to drop this onto... Where is that going? Oh, over there. That's where. I thought he was... I didn't realise there was another guy up there. Not planning on streaming? Okay, nice. Streams up. Top 3 for Team Luxembourg. But still with a couple people back there. I feel like this is a very, very good spot for Team Luxembourg. They all have coins and some shrooms. Bomb goes back, knocking out so many of Team No Mola. But a lot of Team No Mola are in dodges, and a shot comes now that could be deadly. Nice mini turbo trick from Zeej. Incredible driving. Okay, top 2 is well and truly gone. Not many bills in play. Really would have expected to see some bills coming up. They're just not there. Team Luxembourg, top 2 still, but mostly towards the bag. It depends, will their top spots manage to keep it down long enough? Oh, Team Luxembourg getting hit mid-pack. Blue incoming. Team No Mola are going to be getting bottom 2 though. Top 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, back on Moo Moo. Very odd track to pick, considering their starting positions. Oh, unfortunate. Apu gets trailed near instantly. Let's see who pulled the shrooms. It was mostly Team No Mola, pulling up into nearly top 4. Zeej goes to green. It just vanished into the ether. If that green didn't exist. Never has, never will. Oh, unlucky about the trail, gets bumped into it. Okay, unfortunate spots for Team Luxembourg, but not over yet. One of the monkeys is driving backwards. That is very concerning. I think he's just bagging. Maybe assessed that his team needs shot. Bloom incoming for top 2. One of the monkeys manages to knock the dude out of second, so Team Lëtzebuerg are in 2-3-4. And after that blue, this might be really good. They all have shrooms as well. Unfortunately, it gets redded. Is he going to shroom up? Yeah. They have triple reds. The guy drives into the cow. Bomb takes out 2 of No Mola. Team Lëtzebuerg are everywhere. This could be huge. That bomb was absolutely catastrophic if you're a Team No Mola fan. That looked absolutely insane. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10. Just to keep track of it. Come back. Will they manage? It's definitely not over yet for either team. Drops a banana straight back, knocks out one of Team No Mola. Team Lëtzebuerg are top 4. Trails his teammate, unfortunate. That draft was really not what he needed in order to keep his teammate safe. All those greens, good snipe from Team No Mola through those. Really messed up Team Lëtzebuerg. Okay, Z's manages to get payback and trails him out. Oh, I think Capu's going to get redded out at first. Yeah. Throwing the bananas forward. Didn't quite manage to land a hit. Okay, Team No Mola do seem to be very far. What a snipe from Zeej. You absolutely have to just give him credit for that. Bomb went up from somewhere. Completely misses, unfortunately. Or maybe not, unfortunately, depending on who threw it. I don't know. Right, Team Lëtzebuerg have all the red shells in the world. Are they able to knock him out? Capu's getting revenge on the dude that redded him out in the exact same place. No less. Oh, never mind. He manages to survive. There's still a lot of Team Lëtzebuerg in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 even. But if they can manage to take him out, that would be really huge. What's the grab? Nicely avoided. I know by definition they're called sidesteppers, but funnily enough, I don't care. Red's coming up, blue coming in! What is going on? Someone gets hit. Team Lëtzebuerg is suddenly top 4. Plant coming in. What the hell was that? Top 4, 8, 9. This can go any way. This could go either way. Still rooting for my boys, though. Match running. 2 races left. 2 left. Team Lëtzebuerg starting in their top 4 really does make a big difference. Might want to just spam your shroom there. Get away from the pack. Now, Z's planning on holding it. Okay, they managed to hold top 3 of the first couple of turns. If they can keep this down, that would be huge. Green, is he going to go for a snipe? Risky, but might be worth it. No. Okay, plays it safe. Good choice. That's probably what I would have done. They do need to watch out for the Team No Mola member in 3rd. Okay, Capu's coming up. Ooh, pulls fire. Oh, but he gets trailed in return. But that does leave the inward player to just soar into the distance. Still top 3 for Team Lëtzebuerg. Okay, no, Team No Mola are spraying their fire left, right, and centre. Absolutely insane. Okay, but Team No Mola still not able to break apart that top 3. We'll have to see if that holds. If that holds, that could be the end of the war right there. But holding top 3 against Team No Mola, very challenging. Z's was triple shrooms and a plant. If he can catch up, this could be catastrophic for Team No Mola. Doesn't quite manage to manage it. Triple greens right next to him. Is he going to be able to dodge all the green shells? Look behind you, Z. Watch out. Yeah, there it goes. Knew that was coming. Top 2 is still holding. Unfortunately, Donkey Kong did get hit out of 3rd. Nice, into a star. That was perfect timing. He would have been hit there had he not managed to get into that star. Bomb goes down, knocking out so many people. What the hell is going on? Shroom coming up. Team Lëtzebuerg in tons of mid spots. I think they still got top 2. Top 2, 5, 6, 7, 11. It would be absolutely incredible. Yeah, everyone stay relaxed. You got this. Bring it home, TL. Bring it home, TL. One of them burns out. Team No Mola burns out. The script says it's going to tie. We'll have to see. I think Team Lëtzebuerg might have something to say about that. I'm late to go TL. Gamecore, this has been crazy. This is the final race. Team Lëtzebuerg up 40. Meaning that Team No Mola needs to top 6 them. I woke up and felt violence. You know, I relate to that sometimes. Maddest set I've ever seen. Same here. Dude, ooh, unfortunate draft. Really not what you want it. Team Lëtzebuerg, okay, just a reminder. Team Lëtzebuerg needs one member to get anywhere in the top 6. And then they win. D16, D17, sorry. I said D16 because I'm used to being in there. MKU history right here, right now. It really might be it. Not over though. Not over. Kapu is up in the front though. And if anyone you want up there to try and secure you that one position, it'll be him. Spots are very mixed at the moment. If Team Lëtzebuerg can pull a shock and just dodge one of their members, that would be like incredible, because all you need to do is prevent, or just basically find one member of Team No Mola and bully them until they die. Because if you can ensure that they get like 10th or something, you win the war. But Kapu's still up in first with a few of Team Lëtzebuerg in mid spots. I think Z's just reds his teammate. That's so unfortunate. But Kapu's still up in first. Donkey Kong is back in last, so if they have shock now might be a good time. All the mid spots in the world. I think this is good. I think this is it. I think this is it. Kapu crosses the line. Team Lëtzebuerg, for the first time in 16 seasons of MKU, have officially won. GG's Team Lëtzebuerg. What a match. Absolutely incredible play from both sides. Insane play. An absolute man of the match to Kapu. 1-3-1. Absolutely astonishing. Well done, Team Lëtzebuerg.